A flamer, also called the pyro demons of Tzeentch, a fire demon, a burning horror, keepers of the true flame of change, bearers of the true flame of change, or candelabra mutation, are demonic beasts of Tzeentch, the chaos god of change and intrigue. Flamers amongst the most strange and disturbing of all Tzeentch demons, and their absurd psychologies are more than most mortals can stand. The body of a flamer is a headless conical torso. It has 2 arms, both terminating in fingerless stumps, which are adorned with razor-sharp teeth and flickering tongues, and continuously belching acid and sulfuric smoke. In spite of their unnatural, awkward appearance, flamers are agile creatures. They have no feet, but instead move by bumping and hopping around, leaping high in the air in a disturbing and gravity-defying fashion. This unusual method of locomotion allows the flamers to bound over lobes, obstacles, and even bounce across bodies of water with little effort. They may even appear amusing to the unknown observer, but laughter soon turns to panic as the flamers suddenly close in at unexpected speed. The multicoloured warp flames that dribble constantly from their outstretched arm stumps, roaring to life like living blowtorches as the demons attack. Come build, collect, and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.